Hi guys, we're doing a challenge today. Who makes the better slime? Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alice won. First, we're gonna add glue. Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Okay, this is a lot. We're gonna add baking soda. This is the third step, and it's water we're gonna add. Now we're gonna mix it.
One more.
That's way too much.
Yay.
Okay. I don't know what this color is. I hope I get red. I think. We added the shaving cream. Now we're going to mix it. I think I need a little bit more color. Ooh. We're gonna add a little more coloring because it's not showing up. Now we're gonna add the activator. How is the slime without activator? Now we're gonna mix it until my sister is finished. I think we need to mix it a lot. Can I touch it? Can we mix it with our hand?
Yeah, if you want to, yeah.
Okay. We need it. The activator is making it pink. A little lot of fluffy. Lots of fluffiness. Me too. So much.
Oh my god, that's too much, girl.
How to open this?
Oh my god, that's so beautiful.
Do you like mine?
Yes, love.
Like she shows out.
Oh my god.
Yeah. All your glitter falling now.
That's really good.
Looks cute on here and spiky a little bit. I made it! Look at my slime. This is our final result. Final result. This is my first slime I made at my house. We made it. Comment below which one's better. Like and subscribe if you like our video, and we're gonna make more next time.
Yeah.
Bye bye.